Hello guys, today I will show you some new features of landscaping. First of all, there is a new plugin additionally available tool which works with landscaping, which is pretty awesome because you can download height data directly from Mapbox. You don't need to look around in the internet for height data. You can just select an area on a map and then the height data will automatically be downloaded and you import it in Unreal Engine as landscape. I show you how it's done. First of all, you need the plugin. Make sure it is activated here, landscaping Mapbox. Then you bring up the landscaping tab and you can go to options. Well, here it's grayed out because we are here in the default level. Make a new level here and you can click on show map. The map of the world comes up and just zoom in the area you want to import. Let's import something here. Don't get too crazy, not too big landscapes, because a couple of thousand square kilometers will be mostly enough, but don't worry, you can change this every time. So we select here the coordinates, paste it here, and we can see how much it is. Oh, it's pretty small. Oh, make a bigger one. Edit here. About 40 square kilometers. Yeah, that's fine. We are here in Unreal Engine 5. We can use world partition, but it also works with world composition or single landscape. Remember, if you use world composition or you just want to import a single landscape, it would be possible here because the landscape is not too big. Just drag the desired tile size up. If it fits here in these values, 6.75 and 5.86 kilometers, it will be generate a single landscape. If it's smaller, then it will automatically generate a world composition. But if you use world partition, it will automatically use world partition, and the size doesn't matter. It will always create a world partition. It can be 100 times 100 kilometers or more. It's possible in Unreal Engine 5. So close that. We can quickly assign here a landscape material. Yeah, let's do this. Hit import. We will be asked to save it. Make a new folder. Save it. Just wait a little. It will be downloaded. The files will be written into the cache. All steps will be processed in the background as necessary, and the landscape will be imported. The files cached in the background, so if you import the same landscape multiple times, it will not download it every time from Mapbox. It will instead use the cached files. Very nice is that the cached files are in GeoTIFF format, so for further processing you can also use it in other third-party programs. So the import is done. Let's have a look at the landscape. Well, shed a light on the landscape. Directional light here. Yes, this is the topology which we imported here. It's pretty nice. Also, the resolution is decent. We can also control the resolution in the settings. Bring up project settings, scroll down to plugins, and then there are landscaping settings which have the cache directory. There are the intermediary files, the cached files stored, also the geotiffs, and in Mapbox you have the option to give the API key for Mapbox and the zoom level. The zoom level is the controlling factor for the resolution. We get about 2 to 4 meters resolution from Mapbox, which is okay. It's not perfect, but it's pretty okay. If you drop on a landscape material, it looks good for rapid prototyping. It's perfect solution. It's very fast, and you get 750,000 tiles for free, so it's probably more than you will ever need. Yeah, that's it. The next feature I want to introduce is the paint layer, to paint the material layer on import. It was possible before, after importing splines and actors from shape files on a per actor level here in the outliner, but now it's possible on import also, which makes it even faster. Look at the top view here, and I will show you how this works. The UI was a little bit redesigned. We have 3 options what should be created here grouped now: spline mesh, actor, or the new option paint layer deform landscape. Paint layer deform landscape is available always, even if you choose to import a spline mesh like a road, or you have a water actor which will be created, water mesh which will create it along the spline. You can choose to paint the layer and deform the landscape. Here also the landscape will be deformed if you check raise heights or lower heights, and here you have the paint layer name. You can select it, which layer should be painted. So try it out. We select waterways here. The shapefile will be imported, automatically cropped to the extent of the landscape. We can look it up here before we hit import. What will be created? You see, these are the waterways which were found in the shapefiles. You can filter it here. What is river? What is canal? Well, doesn't look like a canal is available in the shapefile. Streams, drain. Oh, let's choose river and choose paint layer. We just want to paint the layer here. Open the options, make it a little bit bigger to see all available options. We can choose, I would choose lower heights because it's a river. Lower it, material A, close it. Everything else is fine. Hit import. Splines will be created and the layers will be painted. So you see along the spline you have this painted, the material painted. Select one of these, and I will show you how to manipulate it after you imported it. Make it broader here and just hit deform landscape, and you see ultimately it will be broader. Can change the layer info object here also to paint another layer, etc. Go as you need it. If you don't have to do further manipulations, you can just delete these, and the editing persists, of course. I think it's a pretty fast and simple way to make paths, riverbeds, roads, yeah, that's about the new features. I hope you like it, and see you next time.